I got fired at 50. And then I found out I could make even more money than I did on my day job. Let me show you how. I got, I'm Paula from Paula Daily Pay. And if you're over 50 and you think you've missed your window, you're wrong because you absolutely have not. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 3 paths on how to make money, real money, with digital products. Most people only discover one, and it's costing them thousands of dollars in missed revenue. Stay until the end because I will tell you exactly which one I would start with if I was starting now. And why products matter. If you have nothing to sell, there's no way you're going to make money. So you have to have a product to sell online. The next question is, what are you going to sell? You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of somebody so you can tell them what you've learned because they're willing to buy that. People don't pay for raw information anymore. That's Google and AI. What people are actually willing to pay for is experience and how you're doing what you're doing. There are 3 paths that I'd like to share with you today. They're not the only 3, but I think there's 3 very important paths for a beginner. Path number 1, you can create your own digital products. Use knowledge that you already have. Like, for instance, if you're a gardener or if you love cooking, these are just a couple examples. You can create your own digital products about what you love. You can create digital products for coaching. You can create digital products for guides. You can create ebooks. What's great about digital marketing is there's no physical products, there's no inventory, and you get to keep most of the revenue. I don't know any other business that happens in besides digital. So what's your secret to standing out above the crowd? Your story, your coaching, real support. That's what people actually want to buy. They don't want to buy AI. AI is not going to give them what they're looking for. AI is a tool, but the human connection is not there. Implementation support. Nobody pays ChatGPT for accountability. And then path number 2 is affiliate marketing. It's recommending products that you already use that you have an affiliate link to. And you could earn lots of money every month by promoting these affiliate links. There are physical products, like if you use a skincare line or some kind of a household line, whatever it is you use. If you use it, like it, and you have an affiliate link and you promote it, you're going to get paid every time somebody buys that product. And it's a great way to pick up extra income every month. Now, digital products, it's a 30 to 60% commission, and it's much higher. Let's give you some real examples. You can share a video editing course that you use. And every time somebody buys that editing course, they're going to go in through your affiliate link. And every time they buy something, you're going to get paid. And it varies. Some pay you 20%, some pay you 50%, some pay even higher. And every time someone buys that, they're going to get paid. This is a great add-on system. It shouldn't be your only system, but in digital marketing, almost everybody I know is doing multiple streams of income. And this is a great add-on to your multiple streams of income. It's consistent and it's something that you start with, is something that you use. And so why not make money from it? Path number 3, which happens to be my very favorite for beginners, especially, but for any level, is master resale rights, also referred to as MRR. It's the one thing that changed everything for me. You buy the legal rights to resell your digital product. Just like when you go to buy a cell phone. If you buy an iPhone or you buy a Galaxy, you're buying it from a carrier that doesn't manufacture it. So we're just dealing not with physical products, but we're dealing with digital products. And it's an educational program. The one that I use and the one that changed my life forever teaches you how to become a digital marketer. And you get your master resale rights done for you. So you don't have to develop a digital product. And honestly, for a beginner, I think it's very important not to have to develop digital product. Unless you're really techie, you're going to be overwhelmed. I know I was. I didn't know where to start. So that's what I loved about the Master Resale Rights program. And I still use it today. And the link to that is listed below at pauladailypay.com. And I guarantee you it's worth taking a look at. The PDF is free and it tells you all about how it works. So you have to decide which path is right for you. You want to start with one path. Don't start with all three of these. You'll be overwhelmed. Start with one, the one that feels right to you. MRR is the fastest way to earn while you learn the fundamentals. Creating your own products is a long-term play. And once you're marketing, it scales very quickly. But if you don't know what you're doing, I would not suggest starting there. I was fired past retirement age with zero tech skills, zero budget. And I found out that you can build a six-figure income very quickly online. And it can be done from scratch, and you don't need a huge following. You need the right training. You need the right program. The only question for you is whether you're going to start and what you're going to start with. There are a lot of options out there. And to that point, I created an ebook called What Actually Works. And that link is below. And it covers a lot of the different opportunities that you can find in the digital world. So video 2 drops next. And it's going to be how to set up your YouTube channel with a step-by-step play on how to do it. So I look forward to seeing you. Watch the next video. The link is right here.